Hello friends, today we are going to visit People History Museum in Manchester, UK. The People History Museum used to be called the National Museum of Labour History until 2001. It's located in Manchester, England, and it's the UK National Centre for the collection, conservation, interpretation, and the study of material relating to the history of working people in the UK. The museum tells the story of the history of the Great Britain and about people's lives at home, work and leisure work over the 200 years. The collection contains printed material, physical objects and photographs of people at work, rest and play. Some of the topics covered include popular radicalism, the Peterloo Massacre, 19th century trade unionism, the women's suffrage movement, Dockers, the cooperative movement, 1945 general elections and the football. It also includes material relating to friendly societies, the welfare movement, and advance in the lives of working people. The People History Museum holds one of the largest collections of political material in Britain, beginning with the early 19th century. It focuses on the history of democracy with object relating to the right to vote making up a large part of the object on display. The collection includes 2000 posters focused on elections and political campaigns, 300 political cartoons, 7,000 trade union badges and tokens, as well as 95,000 photographs. With over 400 trade union and political banners, People History Museum holds the largest banner collection in the world, and visitors to the museum can see banners being conserved in main gallery 2 in the textile conservation studio. People History Museum also houses the Labour History Archive and Study Centre, an important archive of material relating to the history of working people in Britain. Its collection include the archive of the Labour Party, the former Communist Party of Great Britain, the cooperative movement, and the Department for Work and Pensions. If you like to visit the People History Museum, you can check the website, the link mentioned in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification for upcoming videos.